In this lesson, we understand the part where the lamp is lit only at a certain time according to the operation of two timers. Also, if the T1 timer fails or the contact does not work. Let's understand how to use the spare timer T3. Notice the simple sequence drawing on the right side of the screen. Also, please refer to the description of each instrument below the drawing. Look at the electrical sequence configuration on the right side of the screen. When the user presses the push button PB1, power is supplied to the timer T1, and the self state is maintained according to the operation contact of T1. The T2 timer is powered by the T1 timed contact after the T1 set time is 3 seconds. At this time, the GL lamp turns off and the RL lamp turns on. And after 5 seconds of the setting time of timer T2, the self-holding state of timer T1 is released by contact B of the top left T2 in the sequence drawing. So far, that's what we covered a lot while talking about timers. Here, suppose that the timer T1 is not activated. In such a case, when the user presses the push button PB1, the timer T1 does not operate, so the self-holding state is not made by contacting T1A. However, the timer T3 is supplied with power and maintained by T3 again. If the timer T1 fails or the contact operation is not performed, the preliminary timer T3 can be used. After that, the operation configuration is the same as the previous contents. It is not limited to the given electrical sequence. But I hope it will be time to think about what can be prepared for a specific relay failure depending on the situation. For detailed electrical sequence wiring, you can obtain wiring information for each device through a video card or a description column. Now check the connection of each device and check the operation. Initially, it is a normal case. That is, the operation is configured by timer T1, and the second is a configuration that is operated by T3 when timer T1 fails. Please compare.
Input on. Wiring breaker. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. Input off. Wiring breaker. Input on. Wiring breaker. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. Press the button. PB1. Release the button. PB1. Input off. Wiring breaker.
Thank you for watching. Check out the subscription and the like button. We will make more and more learning videos. Any other questions would be appreciated if you leave them in the comments below the video. We wish you a nice day.